is a brand new Payne unit running. It's pretty quiet. It replaced a comfort maker that I got on a low ambient kit. (2019) 5-ton. The unit that used to be here was a 3-ton. I'm not really sure why this one's a 5-ton. Yeah, it's pretty quiet. This one's running as well. Here's this ICP. Not sure what brand of ICP it is. Here's this one. This one's a comfort maker, I think. Here's this one. Then here are these refrigerant components and these ICPs. That one's running, that one's running, and that one's running. This green's not running. (2008) 2-ton. Anyways, thanks for watching.